So it is day 2 of us learning how to do makeup, and this is a series I'll do for 12 days until I know how to do my makeup. So things that I got, and to begin this journey, because today we're going to learn about how to do this part. I got 2 eye pencils, a black and a brown one, and then I got a blush, beauty powder. I got brushes, and then I got a mascara. I got this foundation and this. Oh, is this a foundation really? This foundation and this. So I want to try do my makeup. I've tried learning how to do this part. I don't know, niko na lighting mingi sana from this side because again I'm in the shop. So we're going to do this together. Okay, all right. So number 1, so tunafaa kubrush tukienda juu. So let me just unbox this. Said you brush up and wait, I need to clean first. Clean up. Comb up and outwards. Ooh, so this is what I've learned with a sharp pencil. Make a mark over there. I know you can see that on this edge of the pencil. Another mark. I don't know if it's well seen. And then this side, another mark. So this will mark at the angles of our eyebrows. So the other one is right there, and then over here. Remember, it's on your nose. So this goes somewhere there. So I will try shade and see what we come up with. Let me just do that. Not to shade too much, but I don't know. We are trying. We must learn together. Okay? I'll just do it here. I don't have a mirror yet. So, the mirror ni ile kubwa. So let's just do this here. Remember using a sharp pencil. Tutaka kama wendazimu hapa. Hey, Lord of mercy, Jesus Christ. Yaani tunataka kukaa wenda wazimu hapa leo. We want to, oh God, I don't want it to be so big. Clients watanipata hivi jamani. Lakini you guys, simnaona huku ni mbaya, haki ya Mungu. Let me just fix that. I swear to God, na feel nimeshtuka. Like na feel nimeshtuka. So, to the next process, let's make our eyebrows. Mungu wangu, I don't even know what to use. So which brush are we using? Which one, guys? Which brush? Remember, I like to shade my concealer. So this is what I have so far. This is what I have so far. Being day one, I think I did very good. Oh my god, najidedi. So let me just try and make sure this part nakaa vizuri. I want to fix it now, the foundation. Ah. Let me now see. Nitakaaje? I don't know, but I'm just I want to mix this and see. Remember hii ni kala yangu, so I don't know. Hebu mniambie hapo down kama wamenidanganya. Let me try fix this then come back. Nakaa pepo. I really want you guys to see what I've done with my face. I don't know. I've just worked on this side and oh my god. I don't know how I feel, but I'm proud being day one. Yo. Being day one, I'm very proud of what I have done. Yo. See you guys. Bye. I'll see you on the next one.